In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a video on pitch.com. This is a straightforward process, but I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. First things first, you'll want to head over to Pitch's website. If you're not already familiar with it, Pitch is an online platform that allows users to create, design, and deliver beautiful presentations. For this tutorial, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary features. Once you've landed on the Pitch dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the presentation you wish to record a video for. This step is crucial because you need to have an existing presentation to add your recording to. If you haven't created one yet, you might want to pause here and set up a presentation first. After you've opened your chosen presentation, look towards the top of the page, where you'll notice a button labeled Record. Clicking this will initiate the process of adding a video to your presentation. It's designed to be intuitive, so don't worry if this feels new to you. Next, you'll see an option to Add Recording. Go ahead and click this. It's here that you'll prepare to capture your video for the presentation. This straightforward step precedes the actual recording process, ensuring everything is set up correctly. At this point, you'll find the Start Recording button. When you click on this, if it's your first time, you may be prompted to grant access to your camera and microphone. It's essential to allow these permissions, otherwise you won't be able to record your video. If you're using a shared or public computer, just double-check that the correct devices are selected. As you begin recording, try to speak clearly and at a steady pace. Remember, the goal is to present your content effectively. When you're done, simply click on Stop. This will conclude the recording session. Don't worry about being perfect. You can always try again if needed. Finally, once you're satisfied with your recording, you'll want to save it. You'll find the Save option there on your screen. Clicking this allows you to preview your newly recorded video. Take a moment to review it and ensure you're happy with the outcome. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully recorded a video on pitch.com that's ready to enhance your presentation. Whether you're sharing ideas with a colleague or presenting a project to stakeholders, having a video can greatly elevate your message. Thank you for following along, and I hope this walkthrough has helped make the process clear and easy for you.